Good morning, guys. For those of you who don't know, in February or March, I got my lip neutralized. I did some lip tinting, and this is what my lips look like. This is straight out of bed. This is what we're looking like. Don't judge me, but yeah. I do have a few issues, only because, like, there's still some darkness, like hyperpigmentation within my lips, like on the sides and a little bit up here. So I saw this thing on YouTube that said how to lighten your hyperpigmentation on your lips. So we're gonna try that today. What we're gonna use is the apple cider vinegar. I don't think that it matters which one that you have. This is the one that I bought, and I'm gonna just put it on my lips. So let's just pour it out so I can show you what I do. So I'm just dipping my cotton swab on here, and I just apply it to my lips. Alright, so I'm finished putting all the apple cider vinegar on. I've done it for like 2 minutes. It's doing a little tingling thing. I don't know if I like that, but pain is beauty. So I'm gonna come back in a few and show you what it looks like when I take it off. This is what we look like. This is not cute. So I'm gonna just take another cotton ball, just wet it with some water and wipe it off, because this gotta go. This is what it looks like after I washed it all off. I'm gonna just put some oil on it and some Vaseline, and let's see. Can you see? It's already starting.